Patrick Schäfer and I am a dental technician from Germany. I'm running a small lab specializing on full ceramic restorations in the region of Cologne. I am really grateful for being considered as a key opinion leader by DES. So I was always looking for an implant company that provides parts for several systems, not only in flawless quality, but also with clever and practical solutions that make my life as a dental technician easier. All of that I found in DES. DES is not only providing me with parts for any implant that I am working with in my daily work, it also gives me so many clever things and small details that I always wanted to have. For example, the ability to work with different scan bodies, including the original ones, or the possibility to freely angulate screw channels are absolute game changers to me. There's so many things I could say, and I probably will say, but essentially, since working with this, there is no other. Being able to give back a little is really great, and I am absolutely thankful to working with you guys.